Hello, guys. Welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha. Guys, today I am going to talk about progressive writers movement. Progressive writers movement, which was famous in the British India. British India means when Britishers were ruling in India, that time this movement was started by some Muslim writers. This was very much popular in 1932. It was started from London. First of all, it was set up in London. So, and this progressive writers movement also included all the writers who were writing in Indian language. There were so many writers were contributed in this movement, and it was also uh, means the Rabindranath Tagore, Munshi Premchand, there were several writers who have participated in this movement. So all the things we will discuss in detail. So without doing a further delay, let's move right into the topic. See guys, what is this progressive writers movement? Progressive writers movement means प्रगतिशील लेखक संघ. प्रगतिशील लेखक संघ. क्या है ये movement? What is this movement and why it was formed? So there are three names given to this movement. The अखिल भारतीय प्रगतिशील लेखक संघ और अंजुम तारकी पसंद मुसफ़िन ई हिंद. This was the second name, or Progressive Writers Movement of India, or you can say Progressive Writers Association. These are the four names given to this movement. First, it was formed as Anjuman Tarki Pasand Musaffin e Hind. So this was a movement which was formed by some Muslim writers like Sajad Zahir Ahmad Ali and Rashid Zahan. They were the co-founder of this movement. It is a progressive literary movement. It was a literary movement. Actually, this movement was related to Urdu literature. So it is a literary movement of pre-partition British India. When Britishers were ruling, that time this progressive writers movement was formed. This IPWA means Indian Progressive Writers Association. It was also named as Indian Progressive Writers Association. First began with the publication of a book, Angare, in 1932. It is started in 1932 with the publication Angare. Angare is a publication. Angare is a book which is written by four important writers of this movement. This book is a collection of 9 short stories and 1 act play. Means this Angare book is a collection of 9 short stories. There are 9 short stories and 1 act play by Sajad Zahir, Ahmad Ali, Rashid Zahan and Mahmood Zafar. These are writers who have contributed in this book Angare. From this book Angare, this progressive writers movement was started. In 1935, it is set up in London. If we talk about the history of this movement, so after 1932, after the publication of Angare, Angare was also banned by the government due to the anti-imperialism. In 1935 में लंदन में ये इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है. प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स मूवमेंट लंदन में 1935 में इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है. इन जुलाई 1936 दिस इंडियन प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन सेटअप इन कोलकाता. कोलकाता में 1936 जुलाई को ये प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन स्टार्ट किया गया. इन लखनऊ 10th अप्रैल 1936. लखनऊ में 1936 10 अप्रैल 1936 को इसको सेट किया गया. When it was set in Lucknow, when it was set up in Lucknow in April 1936, that time it was set up under the leadership of Sayyid Sajid Zahir, Sayyid Sajid Zahid Ahmed Ali, where at the club of what is the club name, रिफा ए अहम, रिफा ए अहम क्लब में लखनऊ में 1936 को ये इस्टाब्लिश किया गया. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, द ऑल Pakistan Progressive Writers Association is set up in Pakistan in December 1947. The question can be asked as when it was set in 1947 and where. मीन्स जब ये 1947 दिसंबर में सेटअप हुआ है प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन, सो ये कहाँ पे सेटअप हुआ है? पाकिस्तान में. सो इन 1932 it is started from a book अंगारे. After that in 1935 in London, 1936 it is in Lucknow, and in 1947 in Pakistan. There was a league of progressive authors which was announced by Ahmad Ali and Mahmoud Uz-Zafar. Okay, in 5th April 1933. That time it was as in the leader of Allahabad. When it was expanded, that time it is called as Indian Progressive Writers Movement. Meaning is that 1932 में अंगारे पब्लिकेशन के साथ ये स्टार्ट हुआ है. आफ्टर दैट इसका जो नेम था वो क्या था? द लीडर ऑफ अलाहाबाद. 1933 में द लीडर ऑफ अलाहाबाद कहा गया है. 1935 में जब ये सेटअप हुआ है तो इसका नाम क्या हो गया है? प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स एसोसिएशन और इंडियन प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स मूवमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट these groups, the groups of this movement means these groups were anti-imperialistic group, and they were advocating, they were inspiring people through their writings. They were advocating equality among all human beings, and they were also attacking on the injustice, social injustice, backwardness of the society. Actually, what is the purpose of this progressive writers movement? So the writers like R.N. Tagore, Munshi Premchand, Sajid Zahir, Ahmad Ali, they wanted to wipe up all the social injustice. क्या चाहते थे वो ये चाहते थे, सोशल चेंज चाहते थे. सोशल चेंज कैसे हो? बाय थ्रू द राइटिंग्स ऑफ पोइट्री. मीन्स वो ही चाहते थे कि कोई भी किसी भी टॉपिक पे पोइट्री लिखी जाए. लाइक फार्मर पे पोइट्री लिख सकते हैं. कोई फार्मर जो कि फार्मिंग करता है और बहुत गंदा डर्टी दिख रहा है, उसके बारे में भी पोइट्री लिखी जाए. सोशल चेंज. दे वर टारगेटिंग टू द पीपल who are writing only about the famous people, about the good people. उनका ये मतलब था कि जो पोइट्री है, जो राइटिंग्स है, वो किसी भी मतलब एक कॉमन होनी चाहिए. और वो ये लोग क्या करते थे? बहुत ज़्यादा डीपली बात करते थे. देयर पोइट्री वॉज, दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सोशल जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. They were against communalism. They were talking for the gender justice. Okay. There was a newspaper, The Dawn. There was a newspaper, The Dawn. You know? The Dawn. It was a newspaper of Indian Progressive Writers Movement in Urdu literature. And this movement, what this movement says, so this was the very strongest movement after Sir Sayyid's education. Sir Sayyid's education movement was very much strongest, and the next strongest movement was Progressive Writers Movement. This progressives contributed to the Urdu literature, some of the pieces of fiction and poetry. प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स जो थे, प्रोग्रेसिव्स जो थे, वो क्या कर रहे थे, उर्दू लिटरेचर में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे, ठीक है, उर्दू लिटरेचर में पोइट्री या फिक्शन लिख रहे थे, और उसी फिक्शन में क्या थीम होनी चाहिए, क्या किसके बारे में लिखना चाहिए, क्या पोइट्री लिखी जानी चाहिए, उसी के बारे में प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स मूवमेंट एडवोकेट कर रहे थे। वो ये कह रहे थे कि पोइट्री कैसी होनी चाहिए, कॉमन पीपल पे होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। जो पोइट्री है वो क्या है, सारे जो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट हैं उसकी हर एक प्रॉब्लम को, हर एक सिनेरियो को, हर एक जो मतलब स्फीयर है ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट का, उस सभी को टच करे पोइट्री। इस तरह की पोइट्री लिखी जानी चाहिए, प्रोग्रेसिव राइटर्स ये चाहते थे। देयर आर सम members of progressive writers, very important members. We'll talk about this also. So the very first member is Mirza Adib. Mirza Adib, Hamid Akhtar, Ahmad Ali, Professor Ahmad Ali, Kafi Azad, Sajid Babar, Faiz Ahmad, Faiz Manzun Gorakhpuri, अली सरदार जाफरी, साहिर लुधियानवी, मुंशी प्रेमचंद, अमृता प्रीतम, मोहम्मद उज़्ज़फ़र, साजिद ज़हीर, अली जावेद जैदी and Mulkraz Anand. These were the important progressive writers movement. They are very important members of this group, this movement. Progressive writers movement is also running today. In 2007 in Karachi, there was a meeting. In that, some of the Pakistan's progressive writers plan to reactivate the Progressive Writers Association as a body again after lapse of 53 years, and elected the veteran Hamid Akhtar as the Secretary General of this association. Okay, it was planned in 2007. There was a Progressive Writers Manifesto was also published by R.N. Tagore, Munshi Premchand and Sajid Zahir. Sajid Zahir, Munshi Premchand, Ahmad Ali, Rashid Zain. They were some very important members of this group. You should remember this because the question is always asked from this. So, guys, I have discussed all the important things about Progressive Writers Movement. I hope you would like this video. That's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video lecture. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.